Hi guys, this is Joanna. I wanted to walk you through the process of setting up a shopping appointment at Blazer Kitchen. So what you're going to first need to do is come in here to your search bar and type in Blazer Pulse. You're going to find this first link right here. This is Blazer Pulse Resources, Office of the President. Click on that one, and then you're going to want to go to this button right here that says Blazer Pulse Login. So click on that. And from here, you'll see this landing page. You're going to need to come into these top two buttons right here and either sign up or log in. If you're a UAB student or employee, your Blazer ID is already in the system and you can just log in using your Blazer ID and its password. But if you're one of our patient shoppers and you don't already have a Blazer Pulse account, you can sign up right here. You don't have to have a UAB email to sign up for Blazer Pulse. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and go to login. And when you see this, you might think, I don't have a Blazer ID. How do I schedule an appointment? You're going to click here for more options, and it'll give you a couple of different options. You can put the email or password that you use to create your account, or you can sign in through these different options. In this case, I'm using Blazer Kitchen's Gmail account, so I'm just going to log in with Google. And you'll want to choose the account. Now from here, you'll land into your dashboard and you'll need to find the Blazer Kitchen shopping page. So come up here to this top banner where it says Explore and select that. And then over here, you'll have keyword search. So my recommendation is just to type in 1613 and that'll take you to our 1613 buildings page. So you're going to need to look for right here where it says 1613 building shopper appointments. So please select that one and you'll land in this page. If this is your first time, you might be taken to a page that says you need to join the group. That's okay. Please go ahead and join the group. And then you'll just need to hit that explore button again and search for 1613. And then it'll take you right back to this page and you're all good. If it's your first time making an appointment, down here, this little blue button will say register. But in this case, Blazer Kitchen has made appointments before, so it just tells me update registration. But you're going to need to click this blue button that my mouse is circling. But before that, please make sure to go through and read our about section. So we have the rules, and it's a reminder that you need to schedule an appointment. And you will also need to be required to place a food pickup order. We have changed the link, but it's right there for y'all. Here's some other information if you're interested, but you'll need to click this update registration. So this is what it's going to look like when you first get here. It's going to say registration requires approval from the event organizer. So once you make it, you'll need to make sure that it gets approved after you make your registration. And we have some specific instructions here from us. Appointment spots are available weekly from noon on Wednesdays to 11:59 p.m. on Sundays. And you have to fill out a shopping order online form to receive food, which I included the link to access that. And all questions should be directed to a Blazer Kitchen staff member. Normally, your week will look a little different from this. As it gets busier, your week may begin to look like something similar. Blazer Pulse takes a little bit of time to this as it's all filling up, but for the purposes of this video, I only opened one day. So you're going to see I have a couple of different scenarios here. If it is completely blank to schedule an appointment, you're just going to click on one of these completely whited out spots. So let's say I want to come at 10:45. I'm going to click again. I'm just clicking in the 10:45 time range in this white space. And I'm going to say I want my start time to be 10:45 and my end time to be 12. Appointments must be 15 minutes. If it's any longer than that, when I approve them, I will adjust it to be 15 minutes after your start time. And do not select for it to repeat. And you'll need to click that you understand you're required to fill out your online shopping form. And then these are Blazer Pulse requirements. And when you're done, I apologize, my Zoom bar is across the bottom, you can hit register. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And there you go. You'll see it's waiting approval. And that means that a Blazer Kitchen staff member needs to come in and approve this shift, and you'll receive notification that it's been approved. But here's some other scenarios. You have 2 people that have signed up for a spot and 4 people that have signed up for a spot. So a rule of thumb is if there's multiple people, as long as there's not 5, you can still sign up for that shift. You'll see that each has this little white space off to the side. What you'll need to do is just click the white space to sign up, and you'll see now I can sign up for a 10 to 10:15 shift. And I just say I agree. And again, it'll say it's waiting approval. And down here, I'm going to sign up for this 1 p.m. shift. Now, keep in mind, you can't sign up for 3 on the same day, but this is just a hypothetical situation. Remember that it's 15 minutes apart. Now, once I've signed up for that spot, you'll notice this little area off to the side is gray. That means there's no more appointments during that time slot. So when you're coming across shifts and you notice anything that's grayed off to the side, excuse me, that's a full shift. You cannot sign up for that. But anytime there's this white space, you can sign up for it. And you'll see this gray space and this gray space is out of our appointment range. So you can't select appointments during these times. When you're done with this, you'll just need to wait to make sure that it's approved. Appointment should be approved by Monday. And you'll just receive a email notification that it's been approved. And thank you so much for watching this video. It's really nice and short. And make sure to forward any questions you have to a Blazer Kitchen staff member via email, phone, or messaging through Blazer Pulse. Alrighty, thank you guys.